Hi, future billionaires. This is Finvest Alert, your one-stop channel for getting alerts of detailed tutorial videos on how to make money online. Now you don't have to worry about searching for the right keywords or prompts to use while searching for a well-detailed financial tutorial video. Finvest Alert got you covered. Today, as usual, we have interesting videos for you and where you can find them. Therefore, sit tight and grab a cup of your favorite beverage. Let's dive in. In no particular order, the number one channel here has a banger. It says there is an airdrop that can pay you daily without any hassle. I know you are curious, let's check it out together. Another is this detailed tutor who explains how he amassed a lot of money just from a simple strategy applied on YouTube. Exactly, you heard me right, the same platform you are watching right now. You are at the right place because henceforth, you won't be spending your data on social media without making income in return for it. This next one is amazing. You don't want to miss any airdrop allocations after spending your time on them. Now, this is even more promising because there is a proof. One of the allegedly rejected Hamster Combat co-founder was accepted to work with this project, and they are promising to be better. Well, no airdrop is guaranteed, but you don't quit if you want to become financially free next year. Just a suggestion though, but not a financial advice. If you have been abreast with the crypto industry for some time now, you would have noticed this professional crypto enthusiast making his followers proud with his detailed, calculative, motivational, and inspiring tutorial and informative videos, ranging from listing dates of airdrops to price predictions with an 80% accuracy most times. Now, he has an informative video about Mimify that is said to list on the 30th of October 2024. There you have the 4 of our today's alert. Sorry if all of these videos are getting to you late. Just take action whenever you get our alerts from this channel. Please sit tight as we see them elaborate further after the transition. Then we will disclose the names of the channels and the right keywords for locating this particular videos. Welcome back. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the video and hear from the horse's mouth.
Yes, there is an airdrop that can pay you every single day without you mining for months. Every single day that you log in and perform simple tasks, you stand a chance of winning between 0.1 to 10 USDC. And for those who don't know, USDC is just like USDT. It is just the coin equivalent of the US dollar, and it is a stable coin. So this is almost like 0.1 to 10 USDT. And not just that, you can as well win between 250 to 50,000 tokens of this particular airdrop, which you can as well exchange once the listing happens. But I know that some people will be like,
it's a lie, it's a lie, all these YouTubers, it's a lie.
Bro, sis, what you don't know is bigger than you. Everything is not a lie. The last time I checked, my name is not Lai Mohammed. In this video, I will teach you how to perform the task, how to increase your chances of winning, and also how to withdraw your funds. Let's get started right now.
And there you have it. The name of this channel is called Waterfred1, and the title of this video is Withdraw Every Day from this airdrop. Now, on to the next. Please listen attentively.
How to do them right. And no, I'm not talking about using referrals or any stuff like that. It's not about you hacking the website or doing something shady. What I'm just going to teach you here is a smart method that will help you make 10 times the money that the average or the normal person who doesn't watch a video like this is going to actually make on freecash.com. Yes, as you read in the video title, to do that, we're going to be using a software called GoLogin. So GoLogin is a powerful piece of software. I'm going to be explaining to you what it can do for us. I'm not just going to explain, I'm going to literally show you step by step. So without wasting any much more of your time, I'm going to quickly get right into step one of this video. So step one of this video is where I actually take the time to explain to you guys what the software tools that we're going to be using for this video is. Okay, not actually softwares though, but like, GoLogin and FreeCash. So these are the two websites that we're going to be using in this video. So I'm going to quickly explain what these are, and we're going to quickly move on to the next things because we do not have much time.
And there you have it. This, I believe, is worth checking out. The name of this channel is called Daniel's Hustle, and the title of the video is $588 in 30 minutes on FreeCash and GoLogin. Best ways to make money online fast. I believe you want to go check them out already. Yes, it's very necessary. But hey, just a bonus. Do you also know that Satoshi Nakamoto, the Bitcoin famous but anonymous inventor, has been discovered? Well, yes, but not scientifically proven, as he debunked the claims. Same way the former Satoshi Nakamoto has always debunked being the creator of Bitcoin. Check out HBO documentary for the full gists. I bet you don't also know that most famous pop singer, Michael Jackson, is 65. Wait, is he still alive? So it's been said, so stay glued to Finvest Alert, as we will let you know the final verdict. You are awesome if you watched to this point. If you love our alert video, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and turn on the notification bell icon. Thank you. Up next is a video on cryptocurrency, therefore listen carefully.
On their own announcement page, he said, I was fired as an Amster CEO, but the to-market farms welcomed me with the airdrop gift. Come claim gift is auto-credited to new users. They are taking a jab with Amster Combat, and they are saying, even if Amster Combat have done you dirty, we will not do you dirty. If you have not hopped on tomato to market airdrop, it's now time for you to opt into. Look at this. We initially had some requirements, but we've decided they don't matter anymore. I think they are thinking, we know how much we're going to pay our own guys. Why is Amster paying that nonsense money? So they decided to capitalize on it. This is a bold move that has even given me more belief in tomato to market. They say if you played the Amster game and felt let down, simply start using to market, and all new users will automatically get 50,000 tomatoes. So I'm going to leave a link in the description. If you have not started, click on it to get you started. They give you 50,000 tomatoes to get started. And this is a wonderful, wonderful airdrop that is coming. And very interesting, they say, hope we bring some joy to you. Amster Combat have fired their CEOs. Very funny. I like that. The market is listing in October. Token is coming in October. The listing is coming in October. So you still have few weeks to grind down this and make sure you get something huge out of it. And of course, I'm also going to leave in the description of this video, the video where I teach everything about the market, where you can know what to click, how to click, what to do, everything I leave there. But if you click on the wallet here, you can see here, they say join the to market Web 3.0 drop by ensuring you have at least $1 in your asset. They are not asking you to pay ton fee like other platforms did, but they are saying have $1 minimum in your own account, which is your Tonkeeper account or Turnover account, before they send this airdrop to it. It is very incredible. They are not going to touch your money. They just want you to have it, so you'll be sure that you are getting ready. And then I already connected my own Ton wallet. But here, Neon Do Music says, does it mean if I start mining tomato, they will still take my snapshot? Absolutely yes. The meaning of snapshot is to know where you are at some point. They had snapshot 1, which was done in September, and now the second snapshot is going to be in October, and that is the one they will use as the airdrop. Doesn't matter the one they took before.
Well said. See the next video of the anticipated Memify airdrop. Meanwhile, the name of this channel is called African Giant by Blessing Kolawalo, and the title of the video is To Market Airdrop Confirm Date, To Market Airdrop Update. Now, let's hear from this guy with his very funny accent.
Every day $30,000 worth of giveaways have been given. They all are genuine. Everything is shown, the winners, the token address, which everything will be shown here. That means they are having a good amount of funding with them, and they are distributing among the users also. But on the other side, they are asking for the the USDT from the users also to join the premium. So if you are joining up the premium, you will be getting some of the additional benefits they have shown here. And for this, you have to give 1 ton. So if you want this particular giveaway, 1 ton giveaway, make sure you comment down. We have done a lot of giveaways covering up the gas fees, so this will be for the premium users. And if this video crosses 5k likes and comments. You can tell anything in the comment section. I'll be picking random winner from the comments. I'll be giving you 1 ton as a giveaway so that you can buy the premium. So you will be having these, guarantees here. So you'll be getting the permanent eligibility for the grand draw. You have the guaranteed transaction priority. That means you're going to get the withdrawals first. They are saying that prioritize will be given for those who are there in premium. You'll be having 100 million coins immediately and 1,000 spins, and you will be having the option to join the the Lamborghini giveaway. You'll be getting 1 ticket and you are eligible for that. So using the spins, what you can do, you can join this daily giveaway which is going up. So starting from $4,000 to $100, $50, people are getting the giveaways, which is a massive giveaway. Every day is going on. So they're giving the users also before the withdrawal, before the listing, and also they are taking some of the things which are from the users, which I don't suggest you to do, buying the premium thing. So if you are having money, it's up to you. There are some benefits, definitely. They are giving premium, so for that they have to give some benefits also. And on Monday there also will be some more giveaways, some more gifts with the Binance campaign. As you can see, huge prizes will be coming up. I think they will be giving some watches as a giveaway also, joining up with the Binance. So this is also going to be a very good thing. This makes us sure that it's definitely going to be listing on the Binance exchange. So talking of the tokenomics, we have discussed a lot of time that this is going to be a very good tokenomics. As you can see, 90% will be given to the users and there will be no locking period. So Hamster was doing that 60% giveaway. That's been 70% during the time of TGE. 30% will be for season 2. There is not going to be any season 2 in Mimify. They are not just a tap to earn board. That they are having a game which will be on the PC and on the phone also, where you can earn their tokens and also stake with the help of the key. So all that will be coming up later. They have a very good use case, not just a tap and earn. As you can see, 100% circulation supply will be coming during the time of token generation. Even just 10 billion will be the supply. So talking about dogs and hamster, it is going to be pumping 10x more. The prices will be coming up 10x more. So talking about the price, so listing price, what exactly it can be. So according to me, if the market reaches a 600 million market cap, which is very easy for Mimify since it's listing on top Taiwan exchanges like Bybit and Binance, so 600 million can easily be reached, and the 10 billion supply will be making us sure that it will be coming near to 0.06 to 0.05, and also at the peak it can also reach 0.1 as a price. So you have to decide. So we'll be telling you when to sell, when to buy, whether you're going to hold or not. All that thing will be coming up in the next video.
The amazing name of this channel is called Nitron Crypto, and the title of the video is Mimify Mining Airdrop Withdrawal and Claiming Update Final Chance to Make High Profit in Mimify. And there you have it, 4 of an amazing tutorial videos on how you can get your hands on finance. This is the first Finvest alert video of all time. Yes, that's very correct. If you are here, then you are a lucky future billionaire. Help us go viral by sharing this video and staying glued to this channel. Please check us out on other platforms. Remember to leave your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know what you think. Subscribe for more insights, and I'll see you in the next alert.